Yo, what's good, YouTube? Reefy here, back at you, part 6, Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction. So, last video, Ratchet and Clank went to Planet Macau, fought a bunch of bad guys in the Fight Festival, and with that being said, with that out of the way, we're gonna head back into the Nundak Asteroid Ring. Now, let's get this started. Alright, let's blast off. Alright. Fly through space real quick. Alright, now we're here in the Nundak Asteroid Ring. Now let's get this started. You can see a bunch of Leviathans. We're definitely going to be taking care of them and killing them. Alright, now we're here. Oh, cutscene.
This must be the transport to the station, but how do we get the launch code?
We ought to warn you that the owner of that there station ain't accustomed to visitors.
And why should we trust you? You ejected us into space!
Apologies, my friend. Tell you what, allow us to make it up to you. Some space pirates from Ardolis have offered us bolts for Leviathan souls. Why, if you were to go and fetch some for us, we would happily give you the launch code.
Fuck! Climax has a death wish! Fuck!
Alright, so now we just gotta kill a bunch of Leviathans, take their souls, and just give them to the smuggler for bolts. Alright, now let's take care of this first Leviathan right over here. Should be easy. Let me pull out that Predator launcher. See how much damage that does? Yo, this is that's the best gun in the game. God damn. Oh, and we just got it to level 3, so it's even stronger now. Alright, let's take care of him. He almost dead. Alright, he's dead. Let's take his soul. Alright. Yo, I've always wondered, how do you collect the soul? Like, how do you physically hold the soul? Well, whatever. I don't know why I'm questioning the video game out of all things to question. Oh yeah, also, you're gonna find mad raritanium on this planet. Let's go up here real quick. See if we have anything up here. I don't think there's nothing up here. Alright. Nothing really up here. Let's go down here. Oh yeah, also, y'all may notice that I got more bolts than last time. That's because, like, right before I started recording, I was at the Fight Festival getting bolts and stuff. And you know what? Let's just buy the tornado launcher, why not? Alright.
You can steer tornadoes by tilting the controller.
Alright, so let me just show this off real quick. You shoot a tornado and you control it using the motion controls on the PS3 controller. Probably not gonna be using this because I hate the motion controls on this controller, but yeah, whatever. I'll show it off as much as I can. Alright, let's go through here. Let's just teleport. Alright, let's take care of that.
Teleporter cannons always make my sprockets tingle.
Alright, this kind of TMI, Clank, or whatever. Take care of them. Oh. Alright, let's swing on over here. Oh, there's a gold bolt over here. Alright. I believe that's like our second gold bolt. I'm gonna see if I can find all the gold bolts in this game. I don't think I've ever gotten all of them before. All the times I've gotten them, I just came across them by accident. Alright, I don't know how I walked past this raritanium right here. Whatever, let's get that. Jump up here. Alright, let's take care of this Leviathan. Alright. That's out of the way. Let's get these bolts real quick. Okay. Alright, let's kill this thing real quick. Wait, can this thing reach? Can the Shard Reaver? Oh, it can reach him. Never mind. I'm trying to get this thing to level 2. You know what? Let's just use the Predator launcher. Or better yet, use the Combustor because it has good range. Haven't been using it like that. Alright. Alright, he's dead. I think the smuggler needs like 3 Leviathan souls to exchange you with the launch codes, or I think. Damn, wow, I cannot talk. I have a really bad stutter. Alright, let's teleport up here. Let me just talk to him to see how many he needs.
That was fun. Can we do it again?
You ain't got enough souls, amigo. You best get hunting.
Alright, we don't have enough. Oh, let me check these recording settings real quick. Alright, never mind. Recording's good. Alright. Damn, where do you go? I honestly don't remember where to go. Damn, where are you supposed to go? Let me see if there's any other cannons I could... Oh yeah, there's that. Let's go to Teleporter Gamma. Alright. Let's get this.
Sorry, I cannot help it.
Take care of these enemies real quick. Alright. Let's go up here. Alright, let's take care of this Leviathan real quick. I don't think I can reach him from this far. No, I can't. Alright, he has to be closer. Alright. Keep shooting, keep shooting. These Leviathans are mad easy, so you should be good. I'm probably gonna run out of ammo, but whatever, that's fine. I got mad weapons on me. Alright, he's dead.
We have all the souls we need, Ratchet. We should get back to the smuggler.
I don't think I'm gonna go back just yet. I might just get more souls. Yeah, I'm gonna get more souls so I can get more bolts. Okay. Oh, I can't even reach him. Whatever. Wrong weapon. Alright. Keep shooting. Let's take care of him. I must reach level 4 with this weapon. Wow. This might be the first weapon I fully max out. Oh, I almost fell off. Oh, there we go. Level 2. Alright. He's almost dead. Alright, he's dead. Alright, that's out the way. We got 4 souls now. Where's that teleporter at? Alright, matter of fact, you know what? I want to see if I can fly over there. I'm probably not going to make it, but it's worth a try. Oh wait, I actually might make it. Never mind. Oh, there we go. I made it. Alright. You know what? Let's use the combustor. Let's see if we can get it to level 4. There we go. Alright, that's out of the way. You know what? Try the fusion grenade. Alright. Pull out that Predator launcher real quick. And I'll level up. Alright. Swing on over here. Oh god. Oh. Let's see if he has anything new. Nope, he doesn't have anything new. Alright, that's fun. Let's get these bolts right here. Go on up. Where does this lead to? This leads to up here, I'm guessing? Yes, it does. Alright, let's take care of this Leviathan. Then after this, let's go back and trade the souls. Alright, that Leviathan is dead. Okay, let's go back to the smuggler now. I got 6 souls. Damn, I didn't even realize how much I had. Where's the teleporter alpha that we gotta go to? There we go.
That was fun.
Alright.
Can we do it again?
Talk to the smuggler.
Well, thank you kindly, friend. Transport vessel's primed and ready. You all take care now. Pleasure doing business with you.
Alright. Let's take the space shuttle to the station. And let's progress and move forward. Just let me charge this laptop real quick. Alright, let's go. We got this area right here. It's kind of trippy looking, but you know, we got this. Just keep moving forward.
It appears the transport has taken us to the primary maintenance grid. Perhaps we can find a way inside from here.
Yeah, what Clank just said. Shit, I was about to jump in full. Alright, jump on up here. Just, you playing through this, just try not to fall. You on this part, just keep jumping, time your jumps right, and you should be good. Alright. Now right here we got a little magnet boot section. That's how I think that's what it's called. Magnet boots or gravity boots. That's how Ratchet and Clank like run up walls and stuff.
Curious. That generator must be powering a Sigma-3 gravity simulator with protomorphic ionization synthesizers.
You are such a nerd.
Yeah, what they just said. Oh, I let go as I thought I was gonna die, but whatever. Alright, let's wait for this thing to come back. Oh, that hit me. That's fine. Yeah, these platforms, they're gonna disappear if you stand on them for too long, so just move as fast as you can. Alright, we should be almost done with this part. What the fuck did I just say? We should be almost done with this part. Jesus Christ, I cannot talk. Alright, trying not to get flattened by that. I don't think it's an insta-kill, but I'm not trying to find out. Alright, let's move on. Alright, wow, I'm trash. Let's move on up here. Walk up here.
I believe that is the maintenance elevator up ahead. That could be our point of entry.
Alright, before we go in, I just want to get these bolts. Destroy these boxes. What does this teleporter lead to? Oh, it leads back to the starting point. Any other teleporters? Nope. It don't look like it. Alright, let's go inside here.
Oh yeah! The Lombax secret is ours. Let's grab it and get out of here before Tachyon sends his armies in.
Alright, we at the Apogee Station now.
Welcome to the Chrononet weapon shop.
Alright, let's fill up on ammo. Oh, let's upgrade our weapons. Alright.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Now let's upgrade our Shock Ravager. Wow, I need to get more damage on this thing.
Bada boom.
Other weapon. You know, let's upgrade this. 'Cause
Bada bing.
this weapon isn't as bad as I used to think it was.
What do we look like? A bunch of chumps?
Alright, so go on.
Whoa, check out that terrarium.
It seems whoever constructed the station wanted an oasis as well as a fortress.
Attention, intruder! This is Lieutenant Commander Zephyr of the Apogee Space Station. Lay down your weapons and prepare for a whooping.
Alright. Oh, this part, I remember this part. I used to have so much trouble with this part when I was a kid. Alright, let's not die. Let's not die. Alright, let's heal on up. Pull out that leech bomb just in case.
So you may receive the aforementioned whooping.
Let's heal up. And pull out that Shard Reaper. Alright, get all these bolts. These turrets right here, yo, they move slow, but when they hit you, they do mad damage.
Intruder alert! Intruder alert! Intruder! Am I doing it right?
Alright.
Stay in character, you darn
Oh my
fool.
god.
All right. Intruder alert! Intruder alert! Intruder alert!
Alright, let's take care of these robots.
Attention, young
Damn, when are they gonna stop spawning? Alright, never mind. They stopped spawning.
We are activating the thermosplitter defenses. Desist all
Oh.
useful activities. And
Yep,
return
see?
from
Those things
whence
do
you
mad
came.
damage. You know what? Let's just take care of them quickly. Alright. Oh, it's still there. Alright, never mind. It's gone. We good.
He's breaking into the aqueduct. Release the hydromine
Alright, let's
defenses.
go. Let's do some swimming. Alright. Oh, I almost swam into that. Never mind, I swam into that one.
Dang it all, he's swimming in our fishing hole. He's probably...
Alright, I might die on this part.
Music.
Yep, I might die.
Get off my lawn.
Shit, I'm about to die. Wait, no, there's a health box up here. Never mind. Never mind, I'm still gonna die. Oh, damn, I touched the robot and I died. Let's try not to die this time. Let me just get rid of this thing just in case it gets in the way. Alright, that's out of the way. You know what, let's pull the plasma beasts. Let's have them do the work. Alright, I'm out of plasma beasts. Wait, does the Groovatron work on them? I don't think it does. Never mind, it does. That's the first time I'm seeing that. I never knew the Groovatron worked on them. Oh my god. Alright, that's taken care of.
The inner perimeter defenses.
Alright, just get rid of these robots. Okay, let's not get hit. Alright, let's see if I can make it through without getting hit. Oh, let's go. I made it without getting hit.
Alright, Chief. What can we do you for?
Alright. Take care of these real quick. Get some more bolts or whatever. Alright, wow, okay. Alright, that's taken care of. Alright, I think there's gonna be more of those turrets spawning, if I remember correctly. Yep, I knew it. Oh shit. I'm about to die. Oh damn. What the hell? I died?
Alright, Chief. What can we do?
Alright, let's heal up.
We've got the little rascal right where we were.
Wait, no, I want the Groovatron.
Chief Admiral Cronk, that's my signal.
Wow, I threw it too far. I threw it too far away, and I died. Yo. At least I know how to start from the beginning. Damn, this camera angle. Okay, that's out of the way. Alright, let's not get hit. Alright, leech bombs, where you at? Where you at? Alright. You know what? Plasma Beast, do some work. And what the? Why am I dying so much? Oh man, whatever. No, get the freaking Predator launcher. Alright. Oh. Yo, I'm going to die. Yo, this place is dead. This area is dead-ass mad unforgiving. I almost died right there. Damn. Leech bomb? Damn, it ain't even do anything. And what the fuck, bro? Alright, let me, oh man, how do you get rid of the lasers?
We've lost our primary fuel generator.
Yep. Get rid of the laser by killing all those enemies. Okay, let's go through. Cutscene.
There's no way we're getting through this without at least 2 crates of pyrocytic nitro cells.
Your geolaser comes equipped with a directional indicator to locate weak walls. Simply follow the signal to locate areas where this handy device will work.
Alright, let's do just that and find a weak wall. All you gotta do is just follow this green signal and you're good. When the prompt comes, just press the triangle button.
Laser to cut through natural surfaces. Use the left analog stick to guide the laser along the weak spots before the surface cools.
Alright. Yeah, they also give you an option to do this with the 6-axis controls, but I'd much rather do it with the analog stick. Cutscene.
Who did you say gave you this thing?
The Sony. They are little invisible creatures who travel through time.
Oh, right.
There's the scoundrel. Pulverize him. Oh, my thruster coils.
Thanks, guys. I can handle it from here. Well, congratulations. You win an all-expense-paid trip out the airlock. Hope you don't mind letting yourself out. I hate that popping sound of bodies decompressing in space.
Yeah, put that Lombax in his place.
What? He is a Lombax! Kronk, Zephyr, lower your weapons.
And so, our heroes explained the mysterious circumstances which brought them to Talwyn Apogee's secluded space station. Their quest for the elusive Lombax secret. A cipher wrapped in an enigma, smothered in super secret sauce.
That's enough, Zephyr.
Oh, sorry.
So you're a Lombax who's never seen another Lombax, doesn't know where they are or what their secret is. That's so...
Ironic?
I take it he's the smart one.
Miss Apogee, is there any reason why Tachyon would think you have a Lombax weapon?
Well, this is my father's base. Max Apogee
Max Apogee was a famous...
is a famous...
is a famous explorer and collector of rare interstellar antiquities, most notable of which was a Lombax artifact.
Where is the artifact now?
Pirates raided the station years ago. This is the only thing they took. My father went after them, but never came back.
I recall that smuggler mentioning pirates on our door list.
Our Dolus. Kronk, Zephyr, get the ship ready. Lock up on your way out, okay?
Alright, so you guys may have just saw like the audio was desyncing with the character mouth movements. That's actually the game itself, because this game is really old, and it just not it doesn't work as good as it used to. So it's not like the recording or anything. That's the game itself. So yeah, I'm sorry about that. I want to apologize. Like I said, this game is mad old.
Coordinates acquired for planet Ardolus.
Alright. So with that out of the way, let's just go to the ship. Alright, so with that out of the way and everything being said, I'm ending the video right here. Part 6, Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time, and I'm off this. Y'all enjoy the rest of your day.